The most common rejection for the visa interview is nervousness first. Suddenly she asked me that what if I refuse your visa? Hi, this is Bindu, and I was going to University of North Texas to pursue my masters in data science group. When I received the admit from this university, I was really excited, and immediately I started my process for I-20. It's 7 days for me to get my I-20 confirmed. I had applied for visa; the slots were very available at that time, so I got my slot on 21st of May. Yeah, I got 12 days more for my visa. Then that was the point of time when I started preparing for my visa interview. And JOL, it really helped me a lot thorough in my visa preparation from the point like knowing how can we answer the questions to the visa interviewer to the mistakes through webinars and the JOL flashcards which I mentioned earlier. And finally, the day arrived and I went to Hyderabad. I got my slot at Hyderabad itself for both my biometrics and my visa interview too. And I took JOL folder with me when I was going to biometrics, and the process went really smooth. It just took me 20 to 30 minutes for completing my biometrics. And the most common rejection for the visa interview is nervousness first, losing the confidence or fumbling when we are before the interviewer. And yeah, slowly my confidence was degrading. And at that particular point of time, JOL had offered an webinar and also the mock interviews too. Caroline, the woman who took that webinar, and the feedback which I got from her, it's really helpful. And yeah, I got my confidence again, and I started preparing again for the visa interview itself. Before going to the consulate, I double checked my all documents like financial, academics, and all university admits and the relevant things which I had to show them while the was going on. And finally, after a long wait, it's my turn, and I went to the officer and with a warm smile, I wished her, "Good morning, officer. How was your day?" And with a smile back, she wished me like, "Good morning. Yeah, I'm good. How's your day?" And yeah, I said, "Good, officer." I was standing there smiling itself by not showing my nervousness on the face. She started asking me, "Can you please pass me your I-20 and passport?" I said, "Yeah, officer. Here you go." She opened that and asked me which university you was going. And I answered, "Officer, I was going to University of North Texas." And she asked, "Oh, North Texas. That's a great university. And can I know which course you are taking?" And I said, "Yeah, officer, I was taking masters in data science in University of North Texas itself." And yeah, she said, "Oh, good. Can I know why you choose US only for your masters?" And just started saying, "Yeah, officer, one thing that really drew me into US." She just cut me in mid of my sentence, and I don't know the reason why. And she said, "I felt that your answer is by hearted. Had you by hearted this answer before coming to interview?" And I was really in shock. Oh God, I didn't even answer my question. Suddenly she asked me that what if I refuse your visa? And I don't know what to answer for that. In the webinar conducted by JOL, I heard that answer prior from the visa officer itself. If the person who is interviewing us asks that question, we just have to give a positive response. And I suddenly remembered that at that point of time, and I said, "Officer, uh, if I got my visa rejected, I will just definitely going to know the reason for that rejection, and I will rectify that, and I will definitely reapply for the visa officer." And she said, "Aren't you going to give up on your visa? I mean, are you going to apply again for that?" And yeah, I said, "No, yeah, officer, I was not going to give up as it is my dream. I will try until I get it." And yeah, she's pretty convinced by that.